Hey there, and welcome back to my workshop. For this particular project, we're going to be using the tape method. I'm going to use this as a spacer. These will come out after it's stuck to the table. There we have our gap. We currently have this stuck to the board. We have a bit of insurance there. I have a V-bit in the router, and we're going to start cutting this board now. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully I do everything right. I hope I get a little better angle here. We got a new file in, a new bit, and we're going to hit send. Okay, now this one is a little bit more nerve-wracking, where we test the strength of the tape, and I've had to remove the dust boot, so you're going to get a little POV action here. Let's see what happens. Alright, we have most of the mess cleaned up. We've gone through. Here's where it bound up the first time and buried itself. When you thought you saw smoke, you did. So there's our scraps. Garbage pile. Here's our board. Not too bad. Which is something I've been wanting to try. I got a new program for the computer. Man, that is terrible. Absolutely terrible. I got some sanding to do. But on to my next. If it works right. If it doesn't work right, we'll just throw this whole board in the garbage pile and eat about $100 worth of wood and call it a day. Let me get the tooling changed out and we'll see what we can do. Here's a piece of our tool path, if you can make it out. So that's what we're going to try. I'm leaving. Okay, we got a couple of things going on here. One, it went down a little further than it should have. Two, it's tearing the wood up. And three, I really need to straighten this mess out. And we'll go back to the old-fashioned to finish this out, because this is for a paying customer. So I think I just said all that with the my thumb over the mic. Okay, so I don't like this. It dug down. It should have been on top. It should have started on top, I would think. Okay, it's tearing the wood up. And this Babinga, man, this is some tough stuff. And I want to fix this before I go any further, because this is just, there's a lip there, there's a lip there. This is where it went in and just went to town and got stuck. I have no idea why, but it did. And there's a weirdness here that I don't like. So we're gonna get this out of the machine. We're gonna go conventional on the radius, and then this one will be done. We've got our edges cleaned up a little bit. I had to run this one through the jointer again. It's going to take some sanding. I really got to learn how to hold these things. So our edges are cleaned up. Ran that through the jointer. This looks okay. I'm going to have to Alright, I apologize for the backdrop, but I am working out of a one-car garage. Time to oil up some of my projects, including the one we just made today. I made a little one the other day. I made one for my cousin, so I made two. Why not, right? A little bowl, a little tray, and a couple of thin cutting boards. This is actually the same one. I ripped it down the middle. That wasn't fun. Okay, here's our finished product. A little bit of lighting maybe. I think it came out really nice. I'm pleased with it. It was a long road. Had some bumps along the way. But we got it done. We got there. I think it's a really pretty piece. So, if you like what you saw, you want to see some more, you know what to do.